Greetings everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH, the YouTube channel where we solve problems on mathematics covering a wide range of topics in math. You can go through the channel and check for different topics. If you're having challenges, you can watch the videos, try to attempt the questions before watching the videos. You can also share this video to your friends, your loved ones, students all over the globe that are having challenges in math so that they can be able to learn from these videos. Alright, so today guys, we are going to be looking at the problem on trigonometry, it's a simple one. I'm going to break it down and explain it with ease so that you can be able to understand the problem. So let's get right into the video. Now read out the question. It says, given that sine x is equals to what? 3 over 5. And the value of x is within the range of 0 degree to what? 9 degree. Okay. When you see this, you just have to understand that they are telling you the range of the value of x. That x is within the range of 0 degree to what? 9 degree. So evaluate tan x plus what? 2 cos x. Alright, so the way to solve this problem, okay, is actually, yes, you can interpret this to what a right angle triangle. Okay, so let me quickly draw out a right angle triangle. So we can put this as x. Remember when we say sine, remember we have our so, car, so okay, this is going to help us to solve this problem. So when we say sine x, what do we mean by that? It means we have opposite and we have hypotenuse. So the opposite to this x, okay, is what? 3. And the hypotenuse is what? 5. Okay, for the sake of clarity, let me just label it. This is the opposite and this is the what? Hypotenuse. So we don't have the adjacent side. Remember, this is the right angle triangle, so this is 90 degrees. So we don't have what? The adjacent. So sine x gives us what? An idea of what we have. This is the opposite and this is the what? Hypotenuse. So we have to look out for this. And what do we use? What theorem are we going to use? We are going to apply what? Pythagoras what theorem. So this square, okay, so I have hypotenuse square is equals to what? Opposite square plus what? Adjacent what? Square. So let's quickly substitute. The hypotenuse is what? So I have 5 square is equals to what? Is equals to the opposite square, which is what? 3 square plus what? Adjacent what? Square. So we are going to solve for the adjacent. Alright? So let's quickly solve for the adjacent and see what we are going to get. Alright, so 5 square means what? It means 5 times 5. Okay? And 3 square means what? 3 times 3. Okay? And we have our adjacent square looking out for. So 5 times 5 is going to give us 25. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9 plus what? Adjacent what? Square. Alright, so let's look for the adjacent side. We have to subtract 9 from both sides because this is plus 9. So I have 25 minus 9 equals, so we have 9 minus 9 plus what? Adjacent. So this gives us 0. Okay, 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 plus this is going to give us what? Adjacent square, which is equals to what? 25 minus 9 is going to give us what? Let's check it out. So this 25 minus 9. So 1, 1, so 15 minus what? 9 is going to give us what? 6. We are left with 1 here. Alright, so 25 minus 9 gives us what? 16. So how do we find the adjacent? You want to take what? When you have square, you take square root of both sides. So this square root sign cancels the square. So we are left with what? Adjacent, which is equals square root of 16 is what? 4. So this is what? 4. Now, since we've been able to get the adjacent side, okay, it now makes our work very, very simple. Okay, so the question now says we should what? Evaluate what? Tan x plus what? 2 cos x. So what we are simply going to do from this triangle, I want to know what is my what? Tan x. And I also want to know what is my what? Cos what x. We are going to use the relationship, okay, car and tour. Okay, car and tour. So I have car, I have tour. So for tan, okay, which is what? Opposite divided by what? Adjacent. So opposite divided by what? Adjacent. So we are going to substitute the opposite and adjacent here. So the opposite here is what? 3 divided by the adjacent we solve for is 4. Alright. Now for cos x, we are going to use car. So adjacent divided by what? Hypotenuse. So adjacent divided by what? Hypotenuse. So let's see, our adjacent is what? 4 divided by our hypotenuse from the triangle is what? Is 5. So having known this and this, we can now substitute it here to solve for that. So let's do that quickly. So my tan x is what? So substituting, I have, remember what we are solving for is tan x plus 2 cos x. So for us to substitute, we have 3 over 4 in place of tan x. So I have 3 over 4 plus 2 multiply cos x is 4 over 5. So I have 4 over 5. So this will simply give us 3 over 4 plus 2 times what? 4. Okay, is 8 over what? 5. Alright, so having gotten this, we can now solve the fraction to get our answer. Now, when you have a fraction like this, we can use the cross multiplication method. Meaning I'm going to multiply like this. So I have 3 times 5 plus, now we are going to multiply like this. So I have what? 4 times 8 divided by, we are now going to multiply like this. So 4 times 5. This will give us 3 times 5 is what? 15 plus 4 times 8 is what? 30 what? 2 divided by what? 4 times 5 is what? 20. Alright, so 15 plus 32 is going to give us what? So 15 plus 32 is going to give us, this is 7 and this is 4. So we have 47 divided by what? 20. So tan x plus 2 cos x gives us this. But if we look at it, it is what? An improper fraction. Now in maths, you don't keep your answers in improper fraction. So we have to change this to what? A mixed fraction. So how many 20s do we have here? Okay, we have 20 plus 20, that's 40. So we have 2 20s, right? So how many will remain? From 40, we need to add what? 7. So 7 is the remainder over what? 20. So this, okay, gives us the solution to what? Tan x plus what? 2 cos x. Alright guys, make sure you hit the like button, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye for now.